Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Another heavy news cycle. Last night, reports were that the White House was going to release a statement or action on the Syria situation. The S&P sold off hard. 2626 was a key support level. The market held that, and now we've covered the gap at 2655. It's traded as high as 2661. Supposedly on reports that Russian warships have begun to leave Syrian waters. It's assuming there's a de-escalation in the situation here. However, headlines are going to continue. The situation still where we could see something from the White House, an official action that could cause a sell-off. We have FOMC minutes later today. Volatility is going to happen due to that. Mark Zuckerberg is still in Congress testifying. CPI data earlier this morning. The headline number came in a little bit soft with a contraction of 0.1%. The core read, the more closely watched read, was in line with expectations. The S&P is going back and forth. Again, that gap at 2655 was covered, a high of 2661. That's our resistance level in the Morning Express. It's starting to peel back just a little bit. And the FOMC minutes, it's not uncommon to see pressure in the equity markets because of these minutes. Stay nimble. Crude oil did break out above 67 bucks. It's the highest level since 2014, despite a slightly bearish inventory report, a build of 3.3 million barrels in crude. Not too much of a deviation from expectations in the products. However, a pickup of about 85,000 barrels per day in the lower 48 states. This is more than expected. This is more than a steady increase in production. Still, crude traded higher. We've seen that break out after the inventory report, and that's because of this tension in the geopolitics. So continue to watch that. We want to see it close above 67. $70 is in the mix. However, we've been very bullish. You must manage risk. Take something off the table. Capitalize on this move. It's important to do so. The same with gold. Gold traded into major three-star resistance, 1367, 1370. The little bit of a bottling up in gold overnight despite the geopolitics. It wasn't until after the CPI number that came in, even just in line with expectations, then gold was able to run higher, and the dollar, saw a little more pressure. But you must capitalize in gold at this major three-star level. Manage your risk. We believe it is going to break out, but it is important again to manage your risk. FOMC minutes later today. The markets are going to continue to move. We're here to talk about these three as well as anything else. Give our trade desk a call, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can sign up for a free trial of our research on our website. And remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.